this is Pencil Magic, and another task for another week, which is this. And I'm not going to draw while I'm giving this class. Go outside, or maybe if you have a house, you can do it in your house, or if you live with animals. Just sit and observe something. Just sit and observe, like maybe you have chickens, or a cat, or a dog, or maybe people walking, or the seashore, or whatever. Just sit there and enjoy it, and observe it, and take it in. Then, you can take like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you can take an hour, it doesn't matter. You can do like 1 minute if you wanted to. Then go back into wherever you draw, and just draw that. Just draw with your feeling and your impression and your memory, and you can use any kinds of lines or shades or whatever you want to do. And see what you can come up with. There are some people that have incredible skill at drawing and make it look like it's real, okay? And some people can do it from a photo, and some people can do it from an image in their mind, and that's, drawing skills can come in really, really handy that way. However, there is such a thing as impressionism. Like, what's your impression? And put that down. Put down your impression, your feeling, your perception, regardless of whatever skill there is. Anyway, it's an exercise. We can be more specific. Observe a chicken. If you don't have your own chicken, you can just, look at a video of a chicken for a couple of minutes, and then just draw it from memory. Whatever it is that you draw it from memory. So we're calling this exercise drawing from memory. Okay, have fun. This was Pencil Magic with the Unruly Gardener. And don't forget, keep sharing your creations on Prosperity Art. And also there are many more problems or art classes, as we call them, that are online that Rocky has posted. I'll put the link down in the description. Okay.